Hi, this is Beth. Today I'm going to show you how to make the mini bunny boxes. I wonder if, it looks like we have another minute, so I'm going to wait for some people to get on. Hi everybody, this is Beth McCullough. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I'm going to show you how to make this cute mini bunny box. This fits the snack size Reese's peanut butter egg. It's the 0.6 ounce. So last week on my blog, I blog at stampingmom.com, and last week I made this box, which I love, with the Painted Seasons DSP. The Painted Seasons DSP is a celebration product that you can get free with a $50 order. Now, celebration ends this coming Sunday, March 31st, 2019. But if you place a $50 order, you can get a whole package of a variety of this paper. Here's another box I made with the Painted Seasons paper. As you can see, there's a lot of versatility to it. And these boxes fit the regular size egg. This is the 1.2 ounce egg. So here's what we're going to make today. And when I get started making a box, I'll put these off to the side. The first thing I do is I just get out a piece of white cardstock and I make a template. And so I took my egg, I folded the edges of the paper under, figured out how big the cardstock had to be, figured out how tall I wanted it, and that's really how I come up with these templates. Then what I do is I mark what it is, the size of the cardstock, and also where to make the where I'm going to score, and I keep this in my drawer, so next year when I want to make a bunny box again, I just pull this out. I don't do the decorations because next year we'll have new paper and new things to do, and I just decorate them all different. But it helps me to have this template. So let's get started. Today what I'm going to do is show you with the Highland Heather. So again, I scored at 1.5, 2 1/4, 3 3/4, and 4 1/2. Now go ahead and score those lines with your bone folder. So I suppose the person who gets this box can tear it apart and they'll have the directions how to make it. It is that easy. And this box is not going to have sides. This is for people either new to box making, or in my case, I want to mass produce these. And so I don't want to take the extra time and extra cardstock to put sides on it. So now what I'm going to do is take the 1/2 inch circle punch and center it at the top. You can see I'm going down just a little bit from the top, and it doesn't have to be perfect. Then I'm going to take the detailed trio punch. This has a corner rounder in it. The secret to this is to get your cardstock all the way to the edge here and the edge here before you punch it. So I'm going to punch both sides to corner around the top just to make it look cute. Hey Donna, I'm so glad you love the box. I appreciate you commenting. Okay, so now after that, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of the Gingham Gala paper. This is in the Occasions catalog. And it's 1 inch by 2 1/2 inches. and I'm just going to use snail adhesive, and I'm going to put this on right underneath where I did the circle punch. And if there's any sticking on the edge, just take your paper snips and snip that off. There you go. Now for the ribbon, I used 5 inches of the Whisper White 5/8 inch flax ribbon, and I just took it and I put it one in through the hole, and I kind of like it to show like a V at the top. So here's another trick for you. I just take a little bit of snail. Donna is saying, I'm going to make these for my students in your small group at church. Oh, that is so sweet. They're going to love them. I am glad you're doing that. So I do that to stick the ribbon so it's in a V. And then I took the organdy ribbon from the celebration, 8 inches. Now this ribbon is not available anymore, but it is from me because I have some. So like I said before, if you put in a $50 order, I'll send you what you need to make 3 boxes. Or if you like and comment on this video and comment what color you want, I will pick a winner and send all the supplies to make 3 boxes. Now, who thinks I'm going to tie this ribbon on camera? Absolutely not. I am not ready for that. So what I did instead is I tied the ribbon already. And through the magic of TV, here we go. So the next thing I'm going to do is add the piece of trim to the gingham ribbon. Now this trim came from the Be Mine framelits, also in the Occasions catalog. It's this strip right here, which I've used a lot. I also love this heart from the Be Mine framelits, and then just the hearts in general. So if you don't have this set, I'm guessing it's going to carry over. I don't know that, but I love it, and I think it will carry over. So I brought in my silicone mat because my snail is wider than the trim. So I'm going to leave the extra adhesive on the silicone mat instead of getting it on my paper. Sometimes people get it stuck on the paper and rip the cardstock. So I'm going to line it up here on with the squares of the gingham paper. Again, this probably isn't a necessary part, but doesn't it look cute? And then I'm going to take my snips and trim that off again. Okay, now it's time for the bunny image. The bunny image on the front came from a Good Day stamp set. This is an awesome stamp set. If you like making little boxes and treats and layering circles, I think you would get a lot of use out of this. So I stamped the bunny with Versamark on Highland Heather paper and sprinkled on the white embossing powder and heated it. Then I took the smallest stitch framelit and cut it out. For the layer underneath, I took Whisper White cardstock, and this is the second smallest scallop circle in this layering circles framelit. So I'm just going to add snail again to the back of the bunny piece, layer it onto the white piece. By the way, Donna, when you make yours, I would love it if you send me a picture. It'd be fun to put it on my blog and show, you know, another variety of what you can do for that. Okay, so the bunny is ready to go, but first we need another piece of the gingham gala paper. This one is 1 1/4 by 2 1/4. And I'm going to put snail on this, and I'm just going to center it. If you can see where I am, this folds up like this, so we want this piece right here. I'm going to center it in that rectangle. And then I have the bunny and the white piece put together. I added a dimensional. Oh, good. I'm glad you will, Donna. I'll look forward to seeing that. Okay, so I'm adding the bunny here. And now you can see I also already put a piece of tear and tape. In order for this box to stay together, it doesn't need a lot of adhesive, but it needs strong adhesive. So the tear and tape goes here. And let's see, what else? Am I ready to do that? You know, I think I am. So I love using a paper piercing tool. So you smooth down that tear and tape. And then when I do the box, actually go buy these ahead of time, because it's better to put it in the box and make sure it's formed right. So you're putting it in. I hope you can see what I'm doing. I know the comments kind of get in the way. I'm putting it in, and then I'm just folding it forward. I'll take the Reese's out, and I'm going to seal it with my fingers by pushing where that tear and tape is. So that is that. Now for the Easter sentiment, I use the Itty Bitty Greetings. It says Easter Blessings. If you don't have that, last year Stampin' Up! Came out with this set that's still current. It's called You're Inspiring, and there's a cute Happy Easter in there that you could use. But I stamped my sentiment, again with Versamark, and I heat embossed it with the white powder. Here's my Easter blessings. And then I put 3 mini dimensionals across the back of that. And I'm just going to center that on this gingham piece up here. And again, if you don't want your flaps to show of your egg, just tuck them under, because I made the boxes a little bit wider so you could do that. So there's the box all done. So happy that you joined me today. Even those that watch the video later, if you would like and share my video and leave in the comments what color you'd like, I'm going to choose a winner. If I have enough comments and enough people interested, I'll choose 2 winners and send them everything they need to make 2 of these boxes. So to remind you one more time, celebration ends Sunday. So please go on my blog at stampingmom.com and you can place an online order. You can email me. My email is on there. And if you'd like to let me know what you'd like to see me make in the future, leave me a comment for that. I did buy from Target this week these lint bunnies, and I'm working on making a box for them too. So, hey Joyce. Joyce made, I actually bought my bunnies before I saw yours, but she made really cute chick and lamb boxes with these. So I wonder if you bought the bunnies too, Joyce. But I'm working on a little bunny box, and I hope to join you again next Wednesday at noon. And thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.